Hello students, in today's class I'm going to explain about the package. So here the definition of the package. Packages are the folders that contains some predefined classes that help us to use some predefined methods. As for example, that lang package, util package and IO package. What is a lang package? Lang package is the default package. Suppose you are not importing any kind of packages, then lang package is automatically automatically imported to your class. What is the use of lang package? Just you are using the different kind of methods, like system.out.print and different kind of methods. So these packages contains the definition of that methods. Okay, so you may say the package is the collection of library classes. Okay, next I already defined how to import, how to take input from the user, and now some way to convert the input values into the other one. Like if you are using the buffer reader or the input stream class, data input stream, then you need to convert the input into the integer or any other value. So to convert input to integer or any other data type, you may use following things. The first one, parse int. What is the use of parse int? This parse int is used along with the buffer reader and data input stream class. And what is the use of this one? This convert input to integer. Like suppose you want to convert the input in the double, so it can this parse int changes to parse double, float parse float. Okay, like that. So how to use this one? The example or the syntax, you may say like this. Suppose you are taking the value using buffer reader or a scanner, not a scanner, data input stream class, and you are going to store it in A. So you may write like this: BR is the object of buffer reader or the data input stream class. Then you need to write parse int. Not like this. Suppose you are going to store the value in A. So you have to write integer parse int here. Then integer dot parse int, and within the bracket br dot read line. Okay, so this is used along with the data input stream class or the buffer reader class. Suppose you want to take it in double. So with double you have to use like this: double dot parse double br dot read line, like this. Okay, so this way these two methods are used with the buffer reader or the data input stream class. The second one, the scanner method. With the scanner method we use a method called next int. Okay, next int, next double, like this. Okay, so what is the use of this? Similarly to parse int, these methods are used to convert the input into integer and double respectively. And what are the syntax for this one? Suppose the first one you are using want to take input in integer A int a, then you have to write int a equals sc. Sc is the object of the scanner class, dot next int, to take input in integer. And suppose you want to take it in double, so you need to write double b equals sc dot next double. So in this way you may take input in respective data types. I think this much is enough for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.